We have 4 steps of complete and utter destruction for this Kawasaki. Oh, give me. Okay, we just gotta destroy this Kawasaki. Jeez, I'm tired. We have to make this Kawasaki get destroyed, and we're gonna be doing it by raining down 1,000 pounds of metal and use new engineered technologies like this wrecking ball.
This is really fun. You guys have to try it.
I will.
The problem is we don't have a place to pick it up without cutting our hands off.
Oh, that was... Oh, you didn't sing your song.
I came in like a wrecking ball.
The only thing better than dropping engines on bikes is dropping 1,000 pounds of metal onto the bike, and that's what we're gonna do right now.
One, go.
There you go. I think we finally destroyed this thing, and it is time to put this old Kawasaki to rest in the only way that's fitting. You can pause it now. Okay, boys, this is your last chance to say your goodbyes before we put her down. She's been through a lot with us.
Kawasaki Ninja, you are the least ninja of all of the ninjas.
We've been trying to contact you about your car's extended warranty.
I'm so sorry, but I cheated on you with a Ducati. Okay, Josh, go ahead and light it up. You made it to the end of the video. What, you think you're special or something? You want a trophy? Okay, you wore me down. We'll do a giveaway. Comment down below that you made it to the end of the video and that you won a prize. What we're going to do is give away as a souvenir something from this burnt, wrecked motorcycle that you just saw get destroyed in this video, and we'll give away something like this melted motorcycle rim. I want to remind you guys, the greatest ROI you can have is kindness towards other people. So that being said, y'all have a great week and stay gritty.